Hello everybody, welcome to Mercedes-RemoteStart.com. Today we have a 2014 GL450 that we're working on. We're putting a remote start on it. This is one of the new kits that we have available. So here we are. Just one touch of the panic button. Lights flash to confirm. Signals received. Car turns on. You have remote start. Alright. It's MercedesRemoteStart.com. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. 978-308-9090. One more time, that number is 978-308-9090. Thank you very much.